We're sailing off from Mackay Reef and we're sailing to Cooktown via Hope Islands for a few days. Just everything's quite clean at the moment and I'll take you upstairs. Passing Endeavour Reef, where Cook ran aground. We're just trying to keep off it ourselves actually, because we're we're running pretty tight downwind and our head sail doesn't like it when we go too far downwind. And then we'll be heading over into the sunset to Hope Islands, which you also can't see yet.
Look, it's quite long.
Yeah, it is quite long. Where's it on the map? Where are we? Yeah, that's where we are. Trying to avoid doing a Captain Cook. It's been a bit of a long day. The wind just hasn't been in the right direction for us, but that's alright. The Ovens crew have long beat us to the destination by at least 3 hours. Oh, to have a catamaran. No, it's alright. Just sightseeing. Blue can smell some exposed bommies. Hound dog. Just at Hope Islands. Not Hope Island, Gold Coast. And just in time for sunset after a big 7-hour sail. 7? Yeah. And up in the distance there is Cooktown. That's where we're going tomorrow. Over there's the Ovens crew. They're on squid patrol. Generously gave us some squid. We didn't have our lure with us. Say goodnight to everybody. Morning guys, as you can see it's a bit cold. Got beanie, jacket, hoodies on. We just left Hope Islands and we're heading to Cooktown. It's going to blow up a little bit over the next week, so we'll make a run for it to Lizard Island. Yeah, hopefully we'll get there by lunch, fill some water up, get some provisions, get a feed, and yeah, leave tomorrow morning via some islands. For a bit, my feet are numb. Yep. We're here at Lizard Island. We're the only ones here, which is super rare. It's a pretty windy day today, about 30 knots. I'm just downstairs. Ben's just gone to shore quickly to check it out. And I'm just going to tidy the V-berth because it's an absolute bomb in there. And cook a few things today, maybe do some baking. And yeah, we're just going to hide out here for a few days and yeah, check it out. Like I said, there's a reason I was downstairs. It's pretty windy up here. You guys probably can't hear it much because of the windsock that I've got on the camera, so that you don't have to listen to that. That's pretty much what it is up here. It's a bit overcasty. I'll crawl up there at the top to show you later, and I'll probably go for a hike to show you the top. At Lizard Island. Nice and calm, white sandy beach. Really choppy out there. Alright, it's a few hours later. Ben's back. Loose. Very content. And I've cleaned the bee berth. Nice and clean. And I know where everything is now. That's good.
What do you want? Do you want pen or linguine?
I can see you, it's hot dog.
Hey?
What pen? What's a pen?
Pen or
penne.
linguine?
Pen or linguine? That's Ben's version for penne or linguine.
Yeah, which one do you want?
Can I please have some linguine?
You can indeed.
Linguine.
This is a special one.
I bet it's special.
It is special.
The beautiful sunset. We've both gone and done some track hikes today. Ben did the big one. Ripped some toenails off. And I did the little one. Went into the resort, had a look around, went to the airstrip. Yeah, beautiful sunset, and we've finally got a bit of respite from the wind for 24 hours hopefully, but we're not holding our breath. And Blue's fishing. Hey Blue. Hey bird. Hey my bird. Good morning guys, we're still here at Lizard Island for what day, I think it might be day 7, and we're staying another week or two just to wait out some winds and then to do some exploring. We're not the only boat here anymore, or the only one of 2. There's 4 other yachts here that we caught up with 4 sundowners on the beach last night, and we're really lucky to be in their company for this waiting out the wind anchorage. Yeah, eventually we will start missioning up north towards Cape Melville, but apart from that, nothing else to report. Day 8 I think at Lizard Island, and we've made some sprouts, made some yogurt. We've got a few more people, as I just showed you, in the bay. They've all gone to the resort, but we've got a dog here with us, so no resort. Just chilling, loving life, pretty good anchorage. Yeah, we're rugged up, nice and cold, with my Parkway Drive jacket here. I'm a very big heavy metal fan, so I'm making roast lamb for dinner tonight. Just to make up for not going to get some schnitties.
I tell you what, you know it's cold in the tropics when the Kiwis got a hoodie on, eh?
That's so true. Just passing Endeavour Reef, Cook. What did he do? Primary school. Just trying to avoid a what's it called? I've got no brain today, eh? Come on.
Can't be fucked making a veggie meal as well as a squid meal.
Being allergic to squid. Blue, what's that? He's just like hating that he can't go get a squid.